With our plant cane here, we're still using 140 units of nitrogen, but instead of getting that from a bag fertiliser, we're basically using natural sources of nitrogen. So we're using soybean in our fallow, and that gives us about 70 parts of nitrogen per hectare, and that establishes the cane and gets it out of the ground. And then at this fill-in stage, we're getting the other 70 parts of N from our compost. The Reef Trust IV funding has allowed us to buy some plant and equipment that's allowed us to make this compost. Before that, it was very clunky. We were having to use the excavator and loader and turn it. With the funding, we've been able to buy some old second-hand machines, a compost turner, a feedlot mixer, so we can make up exact recipes of so many parts of this and so many kilograms of water and all that. We're able to make a good recipe, and then when we send that away for analysis, we can really get a handle on what's going to be the best mix, because we're on a pretty steep learning curve. We've done some big harvest trials this year, and our compost is matching the fertiliser, and we're not turning our back fully on fertiliser, but it is a good way of helping the soil chemistry quite a bit by using natural sources of organic carbon.